The Sindh High Court has introduced a video link system for prisoners from jails. The Chief Justice of the Sindh High Court inaugurated the video link system, with Justice Naeem Akhtar Afghan also present at the occasion. According to a press release from the Sindh High Court, prisoners will now be presented in court via video link from jails, thus speeding up court proceedings. The release stated that the use of video link for court appearances will save on transportation costs and resolve security issues arising from bringing prisoners from jail to court. The Sindh High Court has said that the video link system will be implemented statewide for court appearances. Also, a one-window system has been introduced for obtaining certified copies of court decisions. According to the release, lawyers and litigants will benefit from the one-window facility. For prompt verification of property documents for bail purposes, they are working closely with the Board of Revenue. The purpose of these steps by the Sindh High Court is to provide timely justice to litigants.